Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica with us in the shop. This is actually a warranty work for some work we did prior to this machine. Just some things that had come up during the 90 days, and so what we ended up doing the second time around. So the first time around, the machine was acting up and always flashing this little light whenever you used water, I believe, and then it had came back for the same issues plus another issue with water falling through the steam tap right here every time you used it. Used it as brewing. When you started brewing, water will come out of here too, which usually indicates that you need to replace either the gasket or the entire thing. You can't buy just a gasket, so we would replace the entire wand assembly. And so when we replaced that, stopped leaking. And then also we had to replace the generator on this machine. I'd also had to do a few rewiring for the flow meter. And also I replaced this because I seen it was a little dark. This is what senses your water tank, and as you can see, it's like getting really dark over there. I don't know if it's slightly burning or whatnot, but I did replace it just as a courtesy. That's not on the estimate, but that is in the actual repair. And did a little bit of wiping. I didn't clean the entire thing. I also cleaned your brew unit, but I didn't service it, just because it'd take a lot of work to service it and to clean out the entire machine, but I did do a little bit here and there, just to get you back a decent machine. And so yeah, so now we're going to start brewing. So we're going to start with a double. Another thing that it had came in, it would always ask to be primed, which is an issue with this machine when it came back the second time around. And what would happen is you would brew, it'll brew fine, or at least post-service, it'll brew fine, and then this will start flashing, which is indicating something with the flow meter, or water wasn't able to go through, even though water is perfectly going through the machine. And so we fixed that issue, and we're going to see here after we brew. And to resolve that issue prior, you would have to prime the machine, and then it'll act normal. But since we went and redid the wiring and replaced all the parts that we did, it should not flash after we finish the shot. And this is using old coffee, just some test coffee we had around, so don't worry about the crema or anything along the lines. And you can also mess around with the amount of coffee. We put a little bit less, so it will be a little, loose. But once you hear it retract, that light should have turned on now, but it didn't. And because we went and replaced all the parts that were causing that light to turn on. And yeah, and so we're just going to test the rest of the machine while we're here, just for courtesy. And so we're going to run the hot water first by just twisting this knob. Actually, this is running steam. And after the steam, we can run the hot water. Steam, it's pumping water through that generator, but that generator is getting extra hot, so that after a while, that water starts to turn into steam, as you can see. And a new generator in here, so this thing will be working really, really, really well. We're going to hit one for the retract. Actually, touch the rinse button. We're just going to wait for it to go back to normal. Hot water tap. There's a little bit of steam still left in the generator, but after it's all dispersed, you should get a steady stream of hot water coming out. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.